Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline colors. Right now, we'll be using the CSS outline color property with HSL color values. So quickly, let's back to our document. This is our document right now. Reload. As you can see, this is what we are having in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the CSS outline color with RGB color value. And right now, we are going to be changing this one to HSL color value. So when we change it to HSL color value, you can just specify any value right here from 1 to I think 360 or whatever. Let me just give it 120 right here so you can see what I'm talking about. Just give this one 50%, give this one also 50%. Let's see what we got and reload our document. When we reload our document, can you see now we are having green right here? So we can give this one 200. Give this one 200. You are going to see what we got. Can you see we are having another color right here? So you can use the HSL color in case you need it. You can check our playlist on HSL color also to be able to understand how HSL color value also works. The CSS HSL color, you can check it in our playlist. We are having CSS HSL color value. So, and again, we can use this also in other elements like this field set element also. We can just specify HSL right here. When we specify the HSL, we can just specify a value. Let's give this 45 and give this one 50% and give this one also 50%. Let's give this one also 50%. Just for you to see the color we are having now. Can you see now we are having this type of color? And we can increase this also to up to 255 if you want. We can just say 255. When we increase it up to 255, can you see? And we can even increase it. Maybe we can increase it up to 300. Let's see the color we are having. When we reload, can you see we have different colors? So that's how you can use this HSL color property, color value right here, using your outline color property. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great